That's an interesting question. I remember the exact moment. I was, I think a freshman in high school. I think I was 14 years old, and I was really into art. I was, every class has the class artist who's always drawing and taking art classes. I love to draw. And so I was just kind of thinking, what do I want to do with my life? And I thought maybe I want to be a doctor. But I didn't know what kind, who really does when you're 14 years old. I went over to a neighbor's house, and he was an anesthesiologist. I was standing in his kitchen. I said, I'm thinking about becoming a doctor. I'm not sure what type of doctor. What do you think about that? And the question he asked me next changed my entire life. He said, as he's buttering the sandwich, he said, well, can you draw? Are you any good at art? I could not believe it. My eyes got wide. I said, what? Yes, that's me. That's what I do. That's my thing. He said, well, you should consider being a plastic surgeon. You'd be really good at it. And from that moment on, it was in my mind, it was written in the sky. I'm going to be a plastic surgeon. So I decided at the age of 14 that I was going to make that happen.